Oh yeah, dude, this is everything I remember.
It did not look this good when I bought it.
On our last video, we did a really nasty wheel that had to be cleaned up. We used Witch's Brew on it. It took a lot of applications. So I was like, maybe we could try out a few other things. Somebody suggested we try stars on it because this is acidic. Heavy duty, obviously I use that all the time and it works good. Mob Shine is acidic as well. And this also can be cut down further. So let's try all of the above and just see what happens here. Now, I've never tried this before. I'm really kind of wondering about this. Stars. Let's try stars, bro. Straight up. I feel like it still looks blue. That's pretty strong too. Most likely you'd want to cut that down. I don't know. Mob Shine on the left side. Now while we're here, for the rubber, you know what I mean? For the rubber, bro. Damn, dude, there's a lot going on there right now. We'll try these on the other side. We'll pre-cut this and just see how this works at 3-to-1. So let's rinse this off and see what we got. You know what we're gonna do, bro? We're gonna water it down. We don't want any cross-contamination. It may appear to be a gallon of stripes. However, it was just the closest nearly empty gallon that I had. So we're gonna use this to dilute Witch's Brew 3-to-1. Let's try it out, dude. Oh, and we didn't even look at the results on that wheel, Tyler. Probably for the best, because it didn't come out very good. I don't feel like either one of those was that good. Mob Shine had an edge over Stars for sure. We just didn't design Stars to be a wheel cleaner like that, you know what I mean? Let's do 1/4 at full strength. Let's do another 1/4 at 3-to-1. We believe that to be precisely 3-to-1. And now we have ourselves a gallon, dude. Oh God, look at that thing go. Wow, that is a lot of purple right there. Holy moly, dude. Looks like I'm spraying stripes. Maybe I should hold it this way. Do you like my ultra convenient spray bottle, Tyler? This is perfect. We're trying to show you that it can be used 3-to-1. That's what this is. Let it cook. Now, before that gets too much of a head start, let's use heavy duty on the opposite side, just to find out. It's a whole different approach. Calcium thioglycolate, sodium metasilicate. On one end, you have nearly pH neutral with Witch's Brew. And on this side, you have 13 pH, dude. Hitting hard, man. This one is a pH of 5 to 6. It's not really that acidic. But this one makes for a good rubber cleaner, dude. And so this is the advantage with the heavy duty one. This really helps clean out the rubber. So I guess we won't touch it with our fingers. We have to only use the power washer, Tyler. Look at that puddle right there. It's perfectly half Witch's Brew and perfectly half heavy duty. Let's spray some more 3-to-1 around the corners up here just to make sure we covered it. I don't know if I hit the insides of those, but now we know. Interesting stuff, different approach. You know, my go-to at my house, Tyler, it's heavy duty. I had to clean my grill last week.
It was heavy duty.
Heavy duty. Had to clean my generator, it was heavy duty. You know, there's just a lot of flexibility with heavy duty, like Witch's Brew isn't gonna clean your rubber out. And even though it does this nice thing here, which it may do a better job even on this chrome and on all of this brake dust than heavy duty without brushing it, but I wouldn't mind just getting in there and brushing it. It's not the end of the world, and it's really gonna get you further anyway. Let's rinse it off and see what we get, dude. The 10,000 PSI helps. Dude, I can see it already. We did a lot better on the rust on the left side. That's very interesting. Let's dry it off and we'll see what it really looks like. Well, this is an interesting 50-50 / 50-25-25, isn't it, Tyler? This corner turned out pretty good. Witch's Brew straight right here on the rim. Not bad and not perfect, mind you, either. I think it's best to get in there and just brush it around a little bit. You know, especially on like these tires that have had a lot of brake dust on them. What's interesting is at this 50-50 mark, heavy duty didn't do nearly as good at taking off brake dust. Big difference. You know, just to see what the soap is doing without any contact. But here's the thing, if you brush this, and you should, because this doesn't look very good. This isn't like a finished wheel. But just for the sake of looking at what soap did, you know, the Witch's Brew definitely did a lot more. And you can really see it, man. Like you can see it even on the top of the chrome here. It definitely did a better job on this side than straight heavy duty did on that side. And then where you see the other aspect of this is the 50-50 on the rubber. We power washed the whole thing. But you can see a hard line where that soap went on. Like that rubber definitely looks a lot better. And I mean, that's where heavy duty really shines. That's where I use it the most, is just getting that tire nice and black again, you know? All right, we gotta clean this thing up a little more for this guy. What do you think, Tyler? Mr. Rico Badass says, now show us how well it works when you don't use half a bottle of Give it 4 or 5 sprays instead of 24, 25 sprays. If your product needs as much as you put, it's a bull product. What do you think we should do about it, Tyler?
I don't know.
This is heavy, bro. You want to find out what happens next? We're gonna use a little less soap. Yes. See what happens when people tell me to use less soap, Kona? Oh, and just like that, it's all gone, dude. Crazy. Now we gotta rinse it out. Here, let's wet it down again with some more foam. We're gonna use the same soap. However, we're gonna remove the ratio tip entirely. I bet it'll be similar. I bet it will be.
Straight, right?
Well, no, it's still, this is gonna dilute it down, probably 10 to 15 to 1. But it'll probably whip up pretty nice. It's still got that snow sound. Let's use some detail brushes around the edges. Let's use the red one. Look at that foam though. It definitely melted it off of there. Oh. Yeah, let me lock this thing before it flips again on me. What? Dude, you still got rust on there. You see that? Let's get the rest of them like that. Oh, wow, that's working. Yeah. Look at that. Look at it go. Wow. And we diluted it 3 to 1. Look at the air in here, dude. It's like a rainforest, man. Take one good last look. Sure is pretty, isn't it? Let's rinse some water on it and see how the water behavior is. Man, got no protection whatsoever on there, dude. Look at that. But look at the door. It has protection right there. That's it, bro. What about the top of the tonneau cover? Wouldn't that be cool if we could make the tonneau cover slippery? Let's find out. We've all seen snake oil do its thing at 500 to 1. You know, it works fantastic. That's how it's designed. But what happens if we don't dilute it, dude? Come on, let's find out, dude. 50 times stronger dilution. Normally it runs through this pinhole. Do you see that? Did you see that? Look at that. That's the pinhole normally. And we've removed this entirely. It can't go wrong, man. Come on. This stuff is like neutral pH. It's fine. Oh! Oh, you can tell that's snake oil, dude. You see how green that is? That is some snake oil right there. There you go. Let's see if we can give some hydrophobicity to the tonneau cover. That did, it worked. That worked really good. A little bit of the death grip, dude. We should just do that thing where you just pour it on. Same thing, you know what I mean? I'm in a mood, bro. You know those like Armor All tire shines? Yeah, let's try some on the driver's side. See if he's impressed. He'll probably be blown away. He'll be like, whoa. What is this? And it goes on so easy. I just want to try it. I remember as a kid using that foam on Armor All tire shine, and I used to love it. Yeah, it's like an 8-year-old shining tires. The Armor All tire foam, dude. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it. Oh yeah, dude. This is everything I remember. Look, it's getting right into the spots that we're trying to get into with that applicator.
Yeah.
It's getting all over the rims.
But it's soap or you brush it?
As I recall, it's been about 40 years since I was 8 years old. I don't think you have to do anything. Yeah, touchless, powerful cleaning. Is this a cleaner or a tire shine? Did I get the right stuff? I bet this is gonna work out pretty good. I remember as a kid, I loved using this stuff. I'm gonna blow his mind. He's gonna be like, wow, I've never seen tire shine like that. Let's do them. Let's do these. I don't think it's meant for this, but what could go wrong? Something that could be shinier. Well, it's taking longer than I recall to set up. You know what's really sad? Blasting all this all over the clean outside. It's, you know, a little better than it was, right? That's some glossy tire shine, dude. Holy moly. Oh no, it's like dripping down. I don't know if I like this stuff anymore. I think my taste has changed a little bit. I don't really like heavy gloss on tire shine. I like a matte finish more, like a satin one, like what we do at Death Grip. This is the problem. Taking a little too long. We've run out of time. We gotta speed this up, dude. I feel pretty good about what we did today. I do. I feel really good. Hey,
Bob.
hi. Are you Ollie?
I
Nice
am.
to meet you. Nice to put a face.
You too.
You look like I thought you would. This is my truck from the past, and I feel like you're future me. I don't know. I think we're a similar kind of breed. We just ripped through it for fun, you know.
It did not look this good when I bought it.
Oh yeah. Oh, are you good with dogs?
Oh, I'm fine.
She's very friendly. She just like needs to say hi. So she needs to introduce herself.
Hi, girl.
Yeah. So we ripped through it. Just gave it a good wash. Got a lot of the
Nice.
brake dust off of there.
Thank you.
Yeah. No, you were very
Wow,
welcome.
this
there.
looks freaking awesome.
Thank you. Yeah, we put enough soap on it, I think. I think we definitely put enough soap on it. What do you like for tire shine more? Do you like this one here, glossy, right? Or do you like this style over here? It's more of a satin kind of finish. What's your preference?
I think the sharp gloss goes with a truck that is sharp and crisp. Mine's a truck.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Kinda.
You want no tire shine?
No, I like the satin shine to it.
Yeah, I do too. That's my preference. That's why I said I believe that you are future me. This is going to be me in the very near future, Tyler.
Yeah,
we're very similar people.
Wow, this is sharp.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah. I appreciate that you're happy with it. We just like to have fun and see what we can do. We didn't get much time for the inside.
Yeah.
But I still hit it a little bit around the floor for you.
Oh, nice. Oh,
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, we just hit it with air.
Appreciated it.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. You as well.
Let me give you something for the road too.
Sure.
This is probably the very last bottle of our detail spray, the awesome sauce. Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Give me the old one.
Yeah, I'll trade you out then.
There you go.
That's perfect.
Thanks.
Thank you. Appreciate it, Sean.
Thanks, guys.
Hey, it was a pleasure.
This is awesome.
You